Welcome back to another unboxing. Once again, this is from Sophistication, and even though I would say I am always excited about getting an order in, because who would not be, but at the same time, I am definitely really excited about this order because I have the opportunity to be in a painted tree location, and I've been trying to look for some display things, and I think this is going to be great. So check this guy out. Like, oh. So I asked if I could pay extra to be able to have these what do you call them? Bubble baskets. Sorry. Oh my God. Like, I need to go to bed. To have these bubble baskets printed in the, I don't know, shape-shifty material. I don't know what you call it. This one, oh, you can kind of catch it in the camera. Like, I don't remember if this is pink, purple, blue filament possibly, but you can kind of see the difference in that shift or whatever. So she sent me the different ones that I could choose from, and I think this will make me selling these even more fantastical than just them by themselves. Yeah, I think that, like, oh, that was perfect. You see that? Oh, he is a gorgeous, gorgeous whale. He is. I absolutely love these, just, you know, particularly because of, you know, how intricate this design is, and it makes the most amazing amount of bubbles in your tub. But now, like, bro, ugh, I hope that I sell so many of these, it's not even funny. Oh, I can't, I'm like, no, let me try to find where's the other one. These are the tops for them. I think there should be one more. I am obsessed with these. And I definitely think, you know, it is well worth the extra. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. Pink to rose gold, I want to say. Or maybe it was like red, pink, like, this was the same one as the one that I had got the last time, and just so freaking pretty. So anyway, pretty. I hope they sell really well and will be very eye-catching in the booth, because, oh, I just cannot. Okay, and like these guys, obviously, for all the things, so beautiful. Candles. Okay. So now, I don't know why I kept on thinking that I had these in my order, because they've been in my list. But I loved the teacher ones that she had done a few months back. And I think it's really cool. Like, you'd be able to hand paint, you know, math or science or history, or, you know, put something fun or cute on there if you were making these for specific teachers to customize them. I'm very excited to do these for paint. Oh. Huh. Okay. Oh, you can see it in there. Like, what? That totally, but it's not on the outside. I don't know. Look. You better, I don't know what that is, but that's super fancy there. if that's how my purple ones are coming, I don't know how I'm going to be able to make some bath bombs, because I'm going to be sitting there looking at that all day. Like, that is gorgeous. I do remember her saying that she had gotten in this really new cool filament, but I thought that it was all an iridescent-y thingy, so I don't know what's happening with that, but that's the bomb. Like, I can't stop looking at that. I'm mesmerized. Moving on. Ooh, goodness. Paint your own bath bomb kits. I'm going to make some of those for that, and then I will try to do like teacher awareness things and stuff like that. Is that, oh, that one's like that too. This is like, bro. Nectaria, she got one on you. So paint your own bath bomb kits as well, because I think the crayons are all super cute. And oh, this I got, this one was a D-Stash one from her site. Yeah, that makes total sense. Okay, so it is the style where and to my understanding, that even though she's de-stashing this, you will still be able to actually get this on her site. So it's just that this one particularly, like, maybe she's not going to make it anymore or whatever, but it has that amazing bottom on there, so you don't have to worry about trying to hold it into place as you're filling it, and get in all of his detail. So there's that. I needed some more kind of like boy ones or neutral ones, I guess, because I realized I only have like super, super, super girly things. So I am trying to order more monsters, and obviously this octopus. I thought he would be cute for the paint your own bath bomb kits, because like you could make each leg a different color or all the dots different colors. So being as though my mind, I guess, is more so into me wanting to create or buy molds that I think I could use for paint your own bath bomb kits. So that's what I decided to get for all of the adults and the children. Well, and me, because I think that would be cool for me to, you know, paint them and sell them already painted like that. So here's the other little doohickey. So you know, looking for feedback from my understanding. I did ask her if she wanted me to include this video or not and keep it top secret or whatever. And she said if it works, she will list it on the site. So she has these little things that are on there anyway, but they don't have a little curve in them. So I have been looking for displays for that painted tree thing, and have not been able to get any other display or things that will hold these jars like this. And as you can see, this is absolutely perfect. Even if you had a little bit of a longer jar, basically it's going to depend on weight, right? That if it's a longer jar and there's more weight back here, then it'll stay here versus like, you know, tipping out of it or whatever. But for all of the products that I think of, oh, let me go see. I wanted to grab a round bomb too. Hold on. Okay, so these are from my like only for me type of balms, but I also thought if it was rounded, then it could be a good way of showing what is in front. Like, let's say I had a basket back behind it, then I can have this one sitting here and have all of the other ones back behind it, color safe, you know, not out in the sun. If you were worried about like theft stuff at a booth, you can still have all of the different options available, but just have less available to fingers essentially. So this would also work perfectly. If I remember correctly, this is a 2.5 inch balm size. So Nectaria, it works. She also said that the design change that she's going to make is like, this is going to be you know, all the way up here, whatever. So it'll just come off the edge and like drop down essentially. And I don't know if you can see that basically with the way that this is, it sits right here. So if this went all the way up, it would just push it back to sit a little bit more like that. So I would say if you just drop that little extra part off of there, and just this piece would be enough to like it'll make this thick enough or strong enough or whatever. The measurement from here to here is perfect for that to be able to sit. So I'm going to be ordering a bunch of the ones with the curves as well as the flat ones, because the flat ones you could set your bath bombs in to display like that as well. So you can have more behind it, and these guys can sit like that. So hope this helps. And I'm going to sit in here and obsess. I cannot wait. It is like 11 o'clock right now, something, I don't know, 9 o'clock. Whew. But in the sun, I'm going to be out there, like all my clients that get like the holographic polish. I'm going to be sitting out in the sun tomorrow with all of these gorgeous, gorgeous bubble baskets, because I cannot. Anyway, have a great evening. Hope you guys got some fun stuff in the mail too.